In this video, I'm going to show you how to round corners in Affinity. Now, the easiest way to do this is the following. You just go ahead and, of course, select your image you would like to round the corners of. So I would like to round the corners of this image over here. And then you want to go here on the left inside the Vector Studio. And you want to click on this shape. And then you want to basically select the rounded rectangle tool. After that, just go ahead and drag out a rectangle over here. And then, of course, you can go ahead and fit it inside this image over it like that. And then you can also change how you want these borders to be. Okay, so of course you could go ahead and go over or under. That's completely up to you, but I'm gonna go spot on right now. And then you can also adjust these corners by clicking up top here where it should be on rounded. And then here you can basically use this slider to select how rounded you want them to be. Okay, so you can go vary or a little less over here. So I'm just going to leave this at 25%, which is the default usually. And then what you have to do from here is very simple. You simply want to take this image here inside layers, and you just want to hold it and drag it inside this rectangle here, and you release it, and just like that, you've basically rounded the corners of your image. So that's how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If you did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.